right, so look, we're back. This is a lunch break. I think I'm gonna try my first chicken sandwich today.
Stop the cap.
And maybe if crumble is, then we go to crumble. But for now, let's try out this. I'm thinking Popeyes. I want to try Popeyes because that's supposed to be supposedly the pinnacle, the top. But I don't know. Maybe not. Let's see. Is it worth what people were saying for you? It's probably not even the hype no more. I don't know what's the top one, but I'm curious. I'm hungry. And of course, I'm getting spicy. I just seen that fucking Burger King dropped 3 chicken sandwiches. I'm gonna have to try that out. International chicken sandwiches. The fuck they know about international? You're not even a Burger King. Literally speaking. The fuck? Spicy chicken sandwich? Combo. Can I get a Sprite? Alright, so we acquired the food. Let's see if this shit make me feel violent, you know? Cause that's what the whole thing was about the chicken sandwich. It was making motherfuckers feel violent. I wanna know if I'm gonna feel violent. Got my Sprite, hold on. Come on, bro. It always fucking happen, bro. It's every fucking time. They get a chance to play me when it comes to Sprite, they always do it. Just say you ain't got it. Plug up the tube that's gonna mix the juice in. Hey, the fries is the fries, hold on. Alright. I hope the person was in a bad mood when they made my food. Cause you know how that shit go. You get a lazy motherfucking sandwich or some shit. Here we go. First time. Let's go. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. I don't know. I might break it. Hey, I might break it to his car. Yeah, 500 fucking sunglasses. Sun beaming. Hold on. That's good. And as you can see, I'm angry. I might punch on something. Alright? Thumb down. Nasty Sprite. All in all, good sandwich. I give this a 4 out of 5. You can only eat this with an angry face. I'm driving home with one hand the whole time. Fuck it. Let me show y'all this shit though. Y'all see that? 400 fucking sunglasses. Hey. More power to them. Alright? Alright, so we almost there. I'm looking for my 5. Can't see nothing though. Can't see nothing. Alright? That better not be full or packed. I need some cookies. So I'm angry. Once again, this shit is packed. Ain't no fucking way there's people standing outside waiting for no fucking Southern nutrition. What the fuck do they even do? Count your days, crumble. Oh, count my patience. That's the end of this video. I ain't fucking waiting on fucking line. It's 72 degrees outside. Not happening. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Alright, so look, this is a little random short update or whatever, just in general, you know, just for some general updating knowledge on you for you guys or whatever. If you guys have any ideas for like videos or anything like that y'all want to see me do, try. You know, I'm open-minded unless it's pork or whatever. But on the other note, like with driving, I've been driving for the past 2 months or whatever. Nothing crazy has happened. Too crazy. Like seriously, I I've been doing good. I don't think I'm a bad driver. I know I'm in a place where there's a lot of bad drivers and shit, but like, I think I'm doing good. You know, I think it's safe to ride with me, unless it's nighttime. I might push 90 in a 40, but don't worry, y'all gonna pay the ticket.